it's Jennifer, and I got some happy mail from Toft that I wanted to share with you. So, I ordered the Toft Quarterly magazine for summer, and if you know me, the cover tells you why. They had this adorable bag. I absolutely love it, and of course, it adorns the back cover as well. The pattern is in the bag. These are all in the bag. The pattern's in the book. All those projects right there are in the book. Absolutely love it. It's 10 pounds on their website. I had to get it in order so I could make that bag. I'll give you an idea of what's in the book. It has both knit and crochet. It has these dog booties, which are so cute. It has hedgehog mittens. And obviously, you have the frog bag, which is what I want to make. Love that. You have a beautiful sweater. It's called a zebra jumper. You've got a fawn headband. And let's go on. You've got a Frisian cowl. That's really pretty. I like that. And you've got a tortoise, which is so cute. And we've got an alpaca chulo. There's that hat. That's a lot of loopies. And they tell you about their subscriptions. You have snakeskin wrist warmers. Those are cool. They're really dark green right there. Here they are. And then you've got the bear pom-pom hat. There you go. Yeah, and it's just really cool. I really like the book. They do sell a kit to make the frog bag, but the kit was rather expensive. It was cheaper for me to buy the quarterly magazine, and I got some things to go with it. I just had one of them. I bought the zipper, and I bought the FROGGY to go with it. These are from Toft. I got those to go with it. And, of course, it would not have been a bag unless I bought the handle. So, this is the Toft cork handle to go with it. And so, I went shopping, trying to find the yarn I wanted. So, I got Yarn Bee's Baby Bee Soft and Sleek Baby Low Pill Fiber in Baby Sage, and so I got that from Hobby Lobby. There it goes, 186 yards, and of course, just to be on the safe side, I bought 2. Don't know, I didn't add up because they measured their yarn in grams. And then for the underbelly of the frog, I got a natural color. And this is Yarn Bee Stork Struck. So these should have very good stitch definition to make the frog. They're both 4 weights of yarn. So I'm really looking forward to making the frog bag. Now, I can't make the frog bag yet. I have to finish the doll I'm making. So, it's so funny, you know, I'm on a time constraint to get this doll done. And I have made a little bit of progress. I did finish a whole leg. And, you know, I did have the boot done. Both boots are done. But I finished the whole leg. I have to finish this leg, attach them, and then do the body. So, I'm getting there. It's, you know, life gets in the way sometimes. But I have to finish that doll. then I can finish. I can work on my frog bag that I'm super excited about making. It's really cute. The zipper's at the mouth of the frog. It's just really cute all around. So I will put the Toft website in the description box so you can go check out Toft. The patterns come from, not all of the patterns, the animal patterns obviously, come from the Edwards Menagerie by Keri Lord. So that's really cool. They're really focusing on Edwards Menagerie. So I like that. They have a bunch of kits and things that are related to Edwards Menagerie by Keri Lord. So go check out Toft and see what they've got to offer. So in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.